welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West, reaching you live and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. This is the place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'm going to be talking about two very important perfumes that are used in African spirituality in the area of sexual attraction. And these two perfumes are called Duala Perfume and Sasoarabia. In West Africa, you are going to find these two perfumes. They are very, very popular and they are used for almost the same purpose. These are the perfume that people wear when they are looking for sex or a relationship or trying to get laid, and they are quite effective. So I want to talk about them on this channel so that people will know them, and you can also choose to check them out if you have the time. The first one is a Duala Perfume. This Duala Perfume is a perfume for sexual attraction, to stimulate that kind of animalistic sexual desire or urge in people. It is a perfume of seduction. Let me say, kind of powerful seduction perfume. It's more like a pheromone. It attracts the opposite sex. So people use it for bathing. You mix it with your water and bathe. They also use it for purification. Maybe you are having difficulty getting a relationship. You can use this perfume to cleanse whatever is blocking your way or whatever is preventing you from getting a partner. It will work to bring a partner into your life. It is for attraction, for sexual attraction, for mating. Then people also use it for protection work, for love and favor. You want to have favor with the opposite sex. You want love to be in your life. You want to keep a partner, or you just want to flex. It works for all these things. So the way people use it is that you buy the perfume. There are different ways to use it. But if you want people to be attracted to you, or you want to keep your mates, you rub the perfume on your armpits, on your head, and on your pubic hair. Then you go out, especially if you want to get laid with somebody. You rub it on your pubic hair and you do the thing. It makes the person to be very, very much attracted to you, and you people will want to be doing it all the time. So it's used for sexual attraction. Duala, that is what you need to know, for seduction and sexual attraction. It's a very powerful perfume. It's made in Nigeria, and you can get it online. It's a good perfume. Then the next one is Sasoarabia from, I think, Saudi Arabia. It's a popular perfume once again in the Arab world, Sasoarabia. But in Nigeria, we call it Sasoarabia. They call it Sasoarabia in Nigeria. But the real name is Sasoarabia. It is very popular too for sexual attraction. You spray it on you, you go out on your way, you go to parties, and you go to where the opposite sex is to hang out. And this is what people use for. It became so popular that many people know the smell in Nigeria. People that are in the spiritual, so they perceive it, they will just know that this is what you spray, that you are looking for somebody or attraction. It's also effective too and popular. So the same way you use it, you spray it on you, you rub it on your hair, rub it on your armpit, and rub it on your pubic hair. Then you go out as well, and you try to go to places and try to talk to people. That is the way they use the perfume. So these two perfumes are very popular for that kind of thing. Very popular seduction perfumes, and they are very effective. So you can find them to buy online. Just type the names on Google, go to this website, the Easty website. I believe you're going to find them there online on eBay. You're going to see people selling them. If you are in West Africa, they are in Nigeria especially, they are in every spiritual shop. You just put the picture on your phone and show them the picture of the perfume. They will get it for you. Okay, very easy to get and easy to use. You don't really need to do any spell. You just apply them on you, and you go to your normal way. Go and start meeting people. So that is the way they use them. They are very, very effective perfume for seduction. These two, so highly recommendable. So I want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think. And questions and comments are welcome. Like and share this video. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my videos. And subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about the channel. I'll be bringing out so many powerful videos for you as time goes on. I have so many topics that I want to talk about, very, very deep topics, and I'm going to be exposing so many secrets about African spirituality that some of them have not been talked about before. Some of them have been neglected, or people don't know how that you can be able to use those kind of things for certain purposes. I'll be talking about those very things. So I have a lot of things in store for you. So please subscribe to the channel and help me to share the channel. So I want to thank you very much for your support and for your understanding, for your donations. I'm very grateful. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye.